So it's giving a lot of people problem. For instance, you cannot put the whole of Nigeria in a map. Are you with me? You cannot put the whole of Nigeria in a map. So what will help you is that putting up these scales will enable you to do what you have to do. For instance, let us check this one. The 1 centimeter represent 10 units. Are you with me? So from here, it's 1 centimeter, isn't it? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So 1 centimeter from here represents 10 units, isn't it? So when you have what? We have here 10, isn't it? We have here what? 20, isn't it? What do you have here? What do you have here? 30. Very good. What do you have here? 40. What do you have here? 50. What do you have here? Are you with me? So like that, because the whole of Nigeria, for instance, Nigeria, the whole of Nigeria, they can give you a scale. I mean, 1 centimeter represents 2,000 kilometers. Are you with me? Are you with me? So you will not be able to put the whole of Nigeria. You will not be able to measure the whole of Nigeria. So by this process, it will help you. So many professionals like navigators, cartography, architects, surveyors are using these scales. Are you with me? These are using this scale. So the most accurate one I will advise you to use is millimeters, because it is accurate. It is very accurate. Are you with me? You know, feet are some. For instance, 1 feet is 30. 1 feet is 303. 1 feet. Are you with me? That's 1 feet. Is in millimeters. Are you with me? So you are having now 300. Are you with me? So there's a little error when you are using feet. So advise you to use the professional scale millimeters. Are you with me? So when you work in millimeters, it will help us. So okay, we will come back to this. I want you to understand what it means. Okay, for instance, 2 centimeters represent 10 units. So what do you do in this case? Let's take the first one. From here to here is 1 centimeter, isn't it? 2 centimeters. It represents what? 10 units. That means you will leave 1. Are you with me? Have you seen it? You will leave 1 and put here 20. Have you seen it? Because of the scale. I'm working on the number 2 now. Are you with me? 2 centimeters represent 10 units. In this case, this is 30 units, isn't it? You will have to skip this. And it will be here. Are you with me? For instance, you are plotting a graph, because this is one of the problems that a lot of students have when they are working on graph, how to plot graph, because they do not know how to choose their scales. That's one of the problems. Even at SS3 level, even at any level, even at university level, most of them are difficult in this very particular aspect. That's why I am spending time to analyze it to you. They say 2 centimeters represents 10 units. Sometimes you'll be intimidated by the language. Are you with me? You'll be intimidated by the grammar. So it's very, very good to understand English. Without understanding English properly, you cannot interpret mathematics terms. Are you with me? So mathematics is one of the simplest subjects that we have. Are you with me? So if you are too good, have you seen it? Okay. Have you seen it? Let me see what you are doing. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, very good. See it. Okay, for instance, if you understand it, it will help you in physics. When you grow up, it will also help you in mathematics, statistics. So this is the basis, because any graph that you want to plot, you must know how to choose a scale. Work on the scale. For instance, 4 centimeters represent 5 units, because it depends on what. If for instance you want to find out a slope, so this particular aspect is disturbing a lot of people. Sometimes when it comes in, when they see 2 centimeters represent this, most of them will run away. They say, "How will I do it?" You don't even take time. So the English should not intimidate you. They say 2 centimeters represents 10 units. What do you understand by 2 centimeters? From this ruler, have you seen it? From this ruler, 1 centimeter, this 2 centimeters represent 10 units. 10 units means the interval there will be at 10 till it continues till where you stop. You understand what I'm saying? So that is a problem. So many people are having. Scale is very, very important. Are you with me? Which scale are you using? You have some scale. When you are taking, for instance, if you are using millimeter, you have 1:10. 200. 1 is to 100. Are you with me? It depends on the object. It depends on what that you are doing. Are you with me? For instance, you can put the whole of Nigeria in one sheet of paper. Are you with me? With the help of the square. Have you seen it now? We have so many some scales. So you can say, okay, 1 centimeters, or 1 is to 200, or 1 is to 300. We have some scale 1 is to 5,000. Are you with me? So by using that, it will help you to go viral. Are you with me? So don't allow that to say 200 represent this to intimidate you. So as we are moving on, you will understand what I'm saying. Are you with me? Very good. Very good. You can see even in your book that I gave you to do. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Even in your book, have you seen it? You can see it. So when you want to plot the graph, this is what the main thing is this. So some of you in examination, you fail. When you fail. When you know what exactly, you move into the question and just look face. Even in geography, even in geography, very, very important. If you want to enlarge map, if you want to reduce map reduction, map enlargement, so this is one of the aspects that will help you. Are you with me? This is one of the aspects that will help you in anything that he wants to do. What I'm saying to do, this is very, very important. It reflects in almost all area of mathematics. Are you with me? For instance, this scale, if you know, even in geography, they can say, okay, now enlarge this town, Akwa Ibom State, or okay, maybe they can give you a particular place in Akwa Ibom State. You will know whether you fall on map reduction or map enlargement. It is the scale that you are using that will help you. Are you with me? For instance, the whole of this village, they say, okay, reduce it to reduce the whole of Uyo, Akwa Ibom into a sheet of paper. And indicate plaza. Are you with me? So don't allow those terms. The terminologies that are used in the English, they normally intimidate people in mathematics. So it is very, very important. Some people say, I know English, I don't understand. There is no child. If you understand English very well, and you are a very good orator, and you understand English very well, you understand mathematics. Mathematics will be very simple. Because in mathematics, you take instruction. They say 2 centimeters represent 10 units. Have you seen it now? So that's why English is important. First of all, what is unit? You have been taught 100 tens and units. All those things you go back. So that is why every topic in mathematics is very, very important. So as I'm taking this aspect right now, I'm believing that I will let you understand. So mathematics will not intimidate you again. For instance, okay, now in this, okay, let me just give you another one, number 4. Let me give you number 4. Okay, let us see something. Okay, now say 1 centimeters represents. 1 centimeter represent what? Represent 50 units. What will you do? You put it at the inter 50 units. Some of you, should I put this into 50 places? That's why you must focus. You must move in straight. Moving straight to the point. 50 units, exactly the same thing you are doing here. It's not the number changes. Are you with me? 1 centimeter, here will be 50. Are you with me? The next one will be 100. Have you seen it now? Here will be 50. The next one will be 100. The next one will be how many? 150. Have you seen it? The next one will be 200. So when you come now, we will then show you. You have axis. You have the horizontal, you have the y-axis and the horizontal and the x-axis. Then you must understand which one is x-axis, which one is y-axis. Because those are the terms that is scaring you away from that topic. What you understand, which side is x-axis, which side is y-axis. Is it the horizontal? Is it the vertical? Those are the terms that you will understand first, so that you will not be intimidated by the grammar. Are you with me? So it's very, very important. Even in English, when you're writing a letter, you have to be very careful, right? You read and understand. The ability for you to write and somebody understand. that makes you a good student. You with me? So in this case, I believe you understand. If they ask you about centimeter, 1 centimeter represents 2 units. You know what that unit means. From there, you have here is 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Then they say 1 centimeters represent 2 units. Huh? 1 centimeter represent what? 2 units. That means here will be what? Here will be what? 2. Here will be what? 4. Here will be what? 6. Here will be what? 8. Here will be what? 10. Here will be what? 12. That's how you are moving. Are you with me? So by next class, I believe that I will be able to explain deep. So that's why I'm just, let me stop there. Then make sure you, 1 centimeter represents 50 units. Put it in. Just draw a line. Make sure you draw it. Use pencil to draw it. Make sure you put one after the other so that you understand. By next class, we'll move into y-axis and x-axis. Then you will know which one x-axis represent what. Is it vertical? Is it horizontal? I believe that's what you will go for the next. That's what I will give for your duty, for your assignment when you go home. Make sure which one is x-axis, which one is y-axis. Spend time on it. Don't rush. Don't rush. Some people are rushing. Mathematics, you don't rush like that. You must understand those terms first. When you understand those terms, it will be application. It will be what? Application. Are you with me? It will be application. You pick those terms. So by the time you jam unit, you know what unit means. You know what is unit. When you jam represent, you know what that means. So don't allow that English, that grammar to intimidate you. Are you okay? All right. God bless you.